What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at where the spare tire, the jack, and the lug nut wrench that you'll need to change a flat tire are located in a 2024 Nissan Sentra. So all those items I just mentioned are going to be located in the bottom of the trunk. As you can see, I've already got the trunk popped. Then if we come in here, there's a space at the front here that you can get your hand in and pull up on this lid. And then you can see those items right there. You can, if you have both your hands free, you can probably hold this up with one hand and then get the items out with your other hand. But also this whole lid will pull out of here. The sides just kind of fold down. And then that'll come out like that. So once we get that out of there, then we look in here and we can see our spare tire right here. And it's got this tool tray that's kind of just Velcroed in there. That'll pull off like that. In this tray, we have our lug nut wrench right here, which will also be part of the jack handle. And then this, which is going to be part of the jack handle. And you can see our jack is right here. And this is just held on these rubber band clips. And then your jack is free. Then we have our spare tire right here. This is held on by this wing nut in the middle. So loosen that all the way up. And it'll pull out like that. And you can pick your jack up out of there. So those are all your items you should need right there. We have the spare tire, the jack, the two handles for the jack, and then that bigger piece is the lug nut wrench. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.